Hello, today we are doing the area model for multiplication, 54 times 23. So since we've got two digits, it went 1, 2 boxes across. And then since we have two digits here, it's 2 boxes down. So the 54 and then the 23. And if you get stuck, you can use the colors to help you. First, we're going to take this number 54 and put it in expanded form along the top. So 54. Then the 50 and the 4 are on the same team. That's why they're next to each other. And they're going against the 23, which is a different number, different team, etc. So we're going to do 20 and 3. So all we did is we split all of our numbers into expanded form. 54, 23. Now we're going to go through each box and multiply. So you can see from this that we're going to do 4 different problems. So we're going to do 50 times 20. In this box, you're doing 4 times 20. In this box, you're doing 50 times 3. And then in this box, you're doing 4 times 3. And if you ever get stuck, you can look at the colors to help you as you're getting used to it, and then eventually you won't need them at all. So let's go ahead and start. 50 times 20 for this first box, green versus orange. Forget about the zeros and just do 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And then you're going to put 1, 2 zeros in. So 50 times 20 is 1,000. Now we're going to go to this box. So this box is 20 times 4. So we're going to do 4 times 2, or 2 times 4, and then put the 0 in. So 2 times 4 is 8, with a 0 is 80. Now we're going to come down and do 50 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And with a 0, that's 150. So 50 times 3 is 150. And then finally, we'll do 4 times 3, which is 12. So now we've multiplied all these digits together. This first box up here was 50 times 20. Then we did 4 times 20. Then we did 50 times 3. This one, and then we did 4 times 3. So all the digits have multiplied against one another. But the 50 and the 4 never went against each other, and the 20 and the 3 never went against each other because they're on the same team. The last step is just to take these numbers and add them up. So you're just going to add up 1,000 plus 80 plus 150 plus 12. And if you want to use this, you can, because it's going to help you keep track and just make sure like your number is the right amount of digits. So it's a great way to help you as you're kind of getting into it. If this is like kind of small, right, and you'd rather do it on a piece of paper, that is fine. I'm going to use this just because it helps me keep track of the digits. So I'll put in 1,000 here, then 80, and these are color coded too, so you can look at the colors if you want to. And then 150, and then 12, and then I'm just going to add them all together, and that'll be your final answer. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 8 plus 5 plus 1 is 14. We're going to carry the 1 up top. There's that little box there. It reminds me. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So we got 1,242.